Hi, I'm Benis Kumar Moses, your guide to the fascinating world of behavior and finance. Today, we are diving into a powerful mental quirk that could be secretly sabotaging your wealth. The endowment effect. Simply put, it's our tendency to overvalue things just because we own them. We fall in love with our assets, not with our financial goals. Think about it. That stock you bought years ago? Suddenly, it feels special, like a part of your financial identity, that investment property you've held on to. You see its potential more than its actual performance. This emotional attachment is a trap. It makes us cling to underperforming assets, hoping they'll turn around while better opportunities pass us by. It is like keeping a closet full of clothes you never wear, they just take up valuable space. Here's a simple yet powerful question to break the spell. If I had the cash equivalent of this asset today, would I buy it at its current price? Be brutally honest with yourself. If the answer is a hesitant maybe or a clear no, then why are you still holding on to it? Your emotional connection is clouding your judgment and costing you money. The trick is to detach emotion from your evaluation. Stop being a collector of assets and start acting like a savvy CEO of your own financial future. Your portfolio isn't a scrapbook of past decisions. It's a dynamic tool designed to achieve your goals, whether that's a comfortable retirement, financial freedom, or funding your dreams. Think of selling an underperforming asset not as admitting a mistake or taking a loss, but as an act of liberation. You're not losing something. You're freeing up your capital. You're giving your money a new job, reallocating it from a lazy employee to a superstar performer that will work harder for you. This strategic shift is what separates stagnant portfolios from those that build real, lasting wealth. So, take a fresh look at your investments this week. Challenge your attachments. Remember, your loyalty should be to your future self and your financial goals, not to a stock ticker or a piece of property. Love your goals, not your assets. That is the true secret to smart investing. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the psychology of money. See you in the next video.